पहले तो मुई परा अपनी सब जन के अस्तु मेन्यू Thank you so much to all of you for inviting me here as a special guest for this blessed evening. I think the God is with us, that He cleared the weather for us so that we can enjoy the music tonight. I'll try to keep my speech small.
It starts with one day. I don't know why. It doesn't matter how hard you try. Keep it out of mind at the time this rap. I'm stretching time. Time is a really good thing. Once you fly by, you see people who say, once you count down to the end of the day, those things never read in the soul. Take a look out below. Watch the gun go right out the window. Trying to hold on, but didn't know. Wasting it all. Just watch. Get everything inside. I tried, don't fall apart. Want to make the people, to make me a memory of a time. I've tried so hard and got so far. In the end, it doesn't matter. I have to fall. Say it out. In the end, it doesn't even matter. One day, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Try so stand for me, you're my TV. Acting like I was part of your property. Remembering all the times you fought with me. I'm surprised it comes. Father things I don't know we were before. You wouldn't even me, recognize me anymore. Not that good at man, back then. It's all come back to me. Take the time, even though I tried. You don't fell apart. What's a meant to be? Believe it to leave me a memory of a time. Try so hard and got so far. As far as I can go. For all this, there's only one thing you should know. Put my trust in you. As far as I can go. For all this, there's only one thing you should know. We doesn't often get this kind of stage, so we are going to present more songs, and I would like to ask a sincere apology to the MC and the organizing staff. As we have already come to this stage, we are going to roll the stage more. Hey!
worry, this might be the last time us performing here on the stage, if God blesses us. But we are trying to spoke out what's on our heart, what's inside our heart, what's within our heart, that we love you all. And not only us is here to perform, but every song, every music, we're all going to sing together, and hope we will all enjoy this.